My name is Brian Spitz. I am the managing partner at the Spitz Law Firm, one of the largest dedicated plaintiff-side employment law firms in the country. Let's talk about overtime. There are a lot of misunderstandings about when employees should or should not be paid overtime. If you are working over 40 hours per week and are not being paid time and a half, the best thing you can do is call us for a free initial consultation. Don't guess or assume that you should not be paid overtime wages. In fact, wage and hour laws are in a very big state of flux that confuses a lot of employers and even some lawyers. The biggest mistake that I hear people say about overtime is, I can't get paid overtime because I get paid a salary. Being paid a salary is only one of many requirements that an employer must prove not to pay you overtime. And if your employer deducts from your salary when you miss a day or come in late or leave early, you are then entitled to overtime pay. Likewise, it does not matter if you are labeled exempt or not exempt by your employer. In order for your job not to pay you overtime pay, your company has to prove that you fall within a specific list of exemptions, which you can find at our website, www.calltherightattorney.com, or Googling Spitz Overtime Lawyers. Courts focus on what the actual duties you perform are. If you are labeled a manager but cannot hire or fire employees, you are probably owed overtime. Some employers will try and avoid paying overtime by misclassifying laborers or tradesmen as independent contractors. Another trick by employers is to tell employees who complain that they cannot recover because the employee did not keep track of the hours. Wrong. The law puts the burden on the employer to keep track of the hours. Some bosses will tell their employees that they don't get paid at all for overtime while eating lunch at their desks or for time while doing work at home, such as calling and emailing clients. Wrong again. If you are working at all, you must be paid according to the law. And if you are doing that work over 40 hours per week, you must be paid time and a half. I could go on for hours regarding all the tricks that employers play to avoid paying hardworking people like you their rightfully earned overtime pay. Instead, call us for a free initial consultation. Go to our website at www.calltherightattorney.com. Google Spitz Overtime Lawyer or watch more of our videos. Remember, we don't get paid unless you recover. Call the right attorney now.